How does Apple produce their live stream events so well? That really was an incredibly cinematic presentation from Apple. And now that the presentation is over, we have the iPhone 13 Pro. And the camera has a new sensor in it, a larger one with 1.9 micron photosites on it. 1.9 microns, that's 1.9 millionths of a meter. And the larger those photosites are, the little pixels on the sensor that collect light, the better they are in low light situations, the higher dynamic range they have, and the less noise they create. And those are all attributes that, as a cinematographer and videographer, we look for making our imagery look filmic, cinematic, movie-like, instead of too high of contrast or too much sharpening or low dynamic range. And Apple could have gone for a higher pixel count that would have caught all the headlines, but I think this was a better decision to go for the same resolution, but better picture quality. And I'm stoked on that, and I can't wait to put my pre-order in at 5 a.m. Pacific time on Friday.